Hello everybody and welcome to this next video. This is the first video in a new series I'm doing on creating textures for 3D scenes. I discovered Inkscape when I was looking for a way to create textures for the 3D models I was creating in Blender. I wasn't a great artist at that time, I'm still not really, but thanks to Inkscape I could improve the quality of the textures I was making a lot. I didn't want to spend too much time learning from scratch how to use Photoshop or GIMP or how to learn to paint by hand. What I really needed was a way to create relatively nice textures without too much effort, and that's how I discovered Inkscape, and Inkscape is really great for this. Creating colorful and beautiful textures is super quick and easy to do in Inkscape. So that's why I decided to make a series on drawing the textures for this 3D scene. This is the first 3D scene I textured, and in this video we will be walking through, first of all, in this playlist we will be walking through first of all how to create the texture for the water as well as the sand on the island, the dirt on the island. After that, we will be having a look at how to create this palm tree, the texture for these leaves, as well as for the coconuts and the trunk. After that, I will be discussing how I created the textures for this radar alien, and then how I created the textures for this strange octopus alien, which I called a pentopus. And finally, I will be showing you how I made the textures for this treasure chest. So don't worry if you haven't used Blender before, we won't be using super advanced functions. You can learn everything you need to know for this series in a short Blender crash course, this one. If you like Blender and you would like to learn more, I would recommend this channel, which I found super useful when I was just starting out in Blender. Hopefully you will find this series entertaining, interesting, and above all, useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and or subscribe, and feel free to leave a message in the comments if you have any questions, remarks, or requests.